How to add members to Spotify Premium family. The first thing you want to do is open up Spotify app. You can also open up any web browser and head over to spotify.com. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account. Here, select Account Overview. If you're using the Spotify app, it will redirect you to the website. Now tap on Manage Your Subscription. You will find the option of Manage Your Family Accounts here. Simply tap on the Go option. Now you will find the section of Plan Members. Here, tap on Invite Someone. Now the new plan member will have to tap on the Accept Invite option. Then they can log in or sign up. After that, confirm their address. Once that is done, that member will be added to Spotify Premium, and now you can all listen together. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.